Good morning. I'm Marietta Evo. I'm 70 years old. Kanang last August, a year ago, namatunan ako nga na ako'y bukol sa tutoy. I did not pay attention to it because at that time, I was focusing on my diabetic foot. Kay putlunon sa to. Ako ni-submit magugo sa kanang alternative medicine and that saved my foot good. So, wakay ko nagmain at tong bukol. Pagka-August, nahibong ko nga, hindi ako siya. Unya, hing-bleed, nag-agi sa akong nipples. So, immediately, kanang, yato ko, pabigay niya siya, I cannot handle you, you go to a surgeon. So, dito ko, surgeon niya siya. Kanang, the way it looks, for stage 3 ka.
Oh my God, yes.
Kuan kanang unsay ngini mag-operation kita and mag-chemotherapy. So I was asking him kanang, Doctor, how much would it cost? Mga about 100,000. Ang PF lang daan, even if discounted ko, maabot yun ng 100,000. Yeah, ang chemo, how much per session? For 6 sessions. So I went home, downhearted kay ko, akong mga anak downhearted because we don't have that much money. And I don't want to leave a problem to my family. Pagka-utang-utang, ya mamatay na dihapon ka. Diba? Sige, ko kunahuna. Pag tinamban, bilang ako kunahuna, yung nga, if I submit to surgery and chemo, I'm just like buying my death because eventually I will die. No, eventually I will die and I am spending money. So, samtang nagmalandong ko sa amo, a voice told me na, why don't you go back to the alternative clinic and ask for medicine? Saan ang bleeding sa imong breast? So, I went there. Ipag ko sa ilang yatag na po, Max GXL. And in 3 days, the bleeding stopped. And now, ang bukol, gamay na. Okay. And ako mga kanang, I'm a Catholic. I go to church, I go to Mass every day. Ang akong mga classmates sa misa, ingon, Marita, nakunsa man ka? Ngano man ka nga 4 months ago, you were very, very sick looking. Daot yung kay kusta na, I was only 48 kilos. No? Ano magkabalala? Tambok lagi ka. Unya ka ng him-bloom lagi ka. So, thank you so much.